Good morning, adventurers. We are here at the Contemporary Resort because we have a breakfast reservation at the Wave this morning. Now, on the way in, I did notice that they had just finished putting up the new entry sign. And they unwrapped it, and it's all pretty, and I took some video of that, so I'll put that in right now. So it looks like they have finished putting up the new decoration. I mean, it doesn't look a whole lot different, but it looks newer and brighter, and the colors are more vibrant. It's nice. So it is a dark and dreary day. It looks like we're probably going to have some rain going on.
Yeah, like
but
that rain right there.
We're going to head over to Epcot after breakfast, see if we can tough it out. Hopefully it doesn't pour too hard. So there it is. There's the Wave restaurant. It's right here next to the check-in in the lobby, and it is very busy in here today, let me tell you. I'm kind of surprised. I think there's a lot of people coming down for vacations right now, apparently. Trying to get a video of the entryway here. This is so cool looking. Love the lighting and sculpture. Very contemporary. So the decoration in here is quite interesting. All wavy, and yeah, I don't know, I like it. Alright, so here's a look at the breakfast menu for the Wave. They got appetizers of seasonal fruit plate, continental breakfast, oatmeal, and then the entrees. They have American eggs Benedict, the Wave Feast. They also have a signature sweet potato pancakes. That sounds really good. Omelet your way. They have Floridian eggs Benedict. It looks like it's a Benedict
with crab.
Yeah, on top of a crab cake, which sounds delicious. Avocado toast, and then a couple of sides. They also have some breakfast drinks, alcoholic drinks. One that caught my wife's eye was the refillable mimosa. A seasonal sangria sounds good too. So it's kind of funny. Star ordered the refillable mimosa, and they actually brought out two at the same time, just to get a jump start on it. I guess they expect her to drink a lot. Star went with the American. That's scrambled eggs. She got bacon, sausage, and hash browns.
Yeah, you can get the eggs any way you want.
Oh yeah, you can get the eggs any way you want. The kids both went for Mickey waffles, very traditional. I decided to go with the Floridian Benedict. That is the crab cake with the egg and the hollandaise on a English muffin, and it comes with some hash browns. They could have gone a little heavier on the hash browns. It's kind of skimpy, but let's see how it tastes.
These are the best.
It smells very seafoody.
Well, it's seafood, isn't it?
It's good. I don't know. I think the flavor of the crab cake gets kind of lost in all of it, but yeah, that's not bad. I would do that again. So I take back the previous statement. As I got further into the Eggs Benedict, where the crab cake was a bit thicker, the flavor definitely comes through. It was good. I liked it a lot. Alright, so before we head off to Epcot, we're going to take a quick look in the stores here, see if there's anything new going on. They got the 2021 merchandise out here in the front. Julie wants a snow globe. Yeah. Maybe at some point in 2021. They're going to be around for a long time.
Yeah.
I like that tank top. That's nice.
This 2021 ornament's really cute.
The 2021 ornament?
Yeah.
A 2020.
Yeah, that is nice. I like that.
Look at that.
Well, that was cute too, bud.
Yeah, look at the Mickey of the.
Yep.
Oh, they're playing the Hot Diggity Dog.
Hot diggity dog.
You guys gonna dance?
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. I love this little kid's like romper. That's cute. Oh, they have finally filled the case again with Disney treats. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Some Rice Krispies on a stick. Cookies. Marshmallow wands.
Not right now.
The apples. Delicious. Wow. I don't think I've seen these before. I feel like these are a new set of ears. Kind of a very light purple with a pink bow. I like that. That's a nice color. Oh, here's another set of ears that I've never seen before. That's neat though. Monorail. Oh boy, wow. So this may be a very short day for us in Epcot because it is pouring rain, and lightning and thunder, and we didn't bring any umbrellas. Not, and honestly, let's see, it is very windy out, so I don't think an umbrella would actually help out a whole lot. I think it'd be more of a hazard, blowing away and stuff at this point. But yeah, we're gonna see. It's supposed to be on and off heavy today. Yeah, I think we've changed our minds. We walked to the car, we got soaking wet. It's just a miserable day, and it's supposed to be doing this on and off. And there's no amount of umbrella or raincoat that's going to protect you. So, since this is not we're not on vacation, this is not an only chance we get to go, we're gonna step out for today. Yeah, and Mom did not wear the appropriate footwear. You need some good like strap sandals with that are comfortable for weather like this, because you're gonna be sloshing through a lot of water today. So I'm afraid that will be all from us today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now it's your turn. Come on down, enjoy the adventure, hopefully on a nicer day, and I'll see you next time.